I believe that every person is made individually and uniquely. And when we try to put people into boxes, bad things happen. We have to allow for room for people to be treated individually. In medicine, that would translate into integrative medicine or precision based medicine. And so I like to think of myself as an integrated, precision based obesity specialist. And I particularly love talking about emotional wellness and emotional health, and not just what we eat or what we don't do, but why we don't do it. And so I really help people get to that core root so that they can develop the consistent habits and have the right tools to help them live lighter in their body, mind, and spirit for the rest of their life. And so that's like the nutshell of this big creative
Yes.
scientist, nerd, mom, doctor, runner, like that I am, like foodie, like all of it.